Welcome to the Monster Truck Shape Race. First, let's meet our team. Mike
and Fiery
from Team Sphere. Tracy
and Pin
from Team Cube. Dale
and Spongy
from Team Cylinder. Alice
and Blocky
from Team Pyramid. And our best of the best, Joe from Team Cone.
Yes, I am the best.
Uh-oh, look who's pulling up to the starting line.
It's Dump Truck.
It's Dump Truck. And he'll do anything to win.
Yeah, how you doing, Dump Truck? What is the next stop is going to do?
And you can bet this next racer will be up to no good. Straight from the ocean, it's Squiddy the Squid.
Hi, Squiddy. How you doing, you man? There's only two bad guys and their truck.
Just when you thought this race couldn't get any tougher.
And they're two bad guys and their truck and...
Here come the Troublemakers and their Trouble Truck.
Howdy, Troublemakers. Are you ready for the race? I'm ready for the day for the race.
Fine day for the race, eh?
All right, bad guys.
Welcome to the Monster Truck Shape Race. First, let's meet our team. Mike
and Squiddy
from Team Sphere. Tracy from Team Cube. Dale from Team Cylinder. Alice
and Dump Truck
from Team Pyramid. And our best
friends have the two bad guys and truck and best friends
of the best,
Trouble Trucks and their Trouble Truck and
Joe from Team Cone.
Yeah, Joe.
Fine day for the race, eh? Yes.
Yes, little Trouble.
I
and we are
am the best.
And here they are, the fastest of the fast.
has shapes over the time.
The coolest of the cool.
The coolest of the contest of the Monster Speaker Box doing 2D Sheet Challenge.
Best friends.
Flick, Flower, and Leafy doing their jobs had 2D shapes and saved the race and dare again. Yeah, everyone. Excited about doing with us right now. Yep, that's right, guys.
There will be 3 races. A 2D shape race, a 3D shape race, and the final 2 winners will have to face both a 2D and 3D shape race.
Yep.
Finally,
guys.
wait
2D Shape Challenge is right over
here.
Have to face both a 2D and 3D shape race.
Yep.
But here we are.
A 2D Shape Challenge up to the chalice Idaho has 3D Shape Challenge all ready to go.
At the quicksand of death.
Yeah, guys.
Do you realize that there is only
3
more elimination?
has 2D shapes and 3D shape race going to Stanley at Chalice Idaho's.
Before the finals?
Yeah, how you doing, announcer speaker box? has the first challenge of 2D shape race going to Stanley, Idaho for doing with us right now. Yeah, Mr. Flick, you know what that means.
That means that this is
The first 2D shape challenge into the Stanley, Idaho, and the first
contest of
A Buck's Life, and the Bad Racers, and the Monster Trucks, and the Buck's Life, and the
BFDI.
Yeah, announcer.
And what is the
First place, he has 2D shape challenge into the Stanley, Idaho, into the first
contest?
And remember,
It's a combination of all the
2D shapes. We have all the 2D shapes, all the circles, ovals, triangles, squares, rectangles, octagons. They have all the 2D shapes into the 3D shapes. We have all the first two places. They're all the wonderful. They have both all the 2D shapes and 3D shapes. They have all wonderful. They have their both
previous contests.
Yeah, we know, announcer. Mr. 2D Shapes announcer. Do you think...
He doesn't.
Do you have the first race is the 2D shape race, has the first challenge. It has 2D shape race up to the Stanley, Idaho. They have the first place and the first place race. And the first race place is the 2D shapes contest, the Bucks Life and the BFDI. And the first two people to complete all the 2D shapes, the underwits and beauties. Do you have the first time on the first challenge with yours? Do you have the 2D shapes has the first place with yours?
Huh? The first race is the 2D shape race. The shapes you will have to go around are a circle, an oval, a triangle, a square, a rectangle, and an octagon.